I am architect Rohit Palakal from Calicut, Kerala. Today we are going to discuss about our project Customary Rapport. The project is located in North Kerala, a village very close to the Karnataka state boundary. We did not want to introduce a very dominating architecture to the humble place, neighborhood and down to earth people. Rather, we tried to showcase an elevated lifestyle is possible through architecture design, which uses vernacular materials, technology, and manpower, that too on a comfortable budget. The rectangular plot is east facing with an area of 5,700 square feet. This had turned up to be an advantage since the harsh south and west light falls minimum to the built form and thus minimum heat gain. The client comprises of joint family of two generations and they were pretty straightforward regarding their requirements. A 4-bedroom home which is Vastu compliant and with minimal interior treatments. They demanded 4 uncluttered open spaces with ample ventilation and a home which is easy to maintain. Capturing east light the maximum towards the interior of the home suggests a lot of positivity. The building is facing east, where the sit-out and living space is zoned in the front side itself, with large windows in the living and the sit-out which is indoor-outdoor in nature. Providing an external courtyard between these two living spaces traps a lot of natural light. Living spaces is equipped with a double ceiling height too, which have porotherm bricks on each facade acting as ventilations. The common areas, sit-out, living, puja, dining and even kitchen is treated as open single entity with minimum partitions. 2 bedrooms had been placed in the back side, separated by the stair room, which also have a skylight. We have provided cross ventilations in every room of the home, which allows air passage and keep the internal temperature down. On the first floor, another 2-bedroom is been repeated and there is an upper living which is used as a hobby space and library. The upper living is visually connected to the ground level through the double height. There is an open terrace in the front side which allows the family to extend the living activities to open air. Front side to back side of the building is stepping up from an eye level height to the roof of the second floor, which makes the appeal of the built form grounded and subtle. Laterite stone having 20 cm width was abundantly available nearby the site and we have used it for the entire construction as it reduces temperature inside and brings down the construction cost. Exposed laterite is used in the external facade, in the living rooms etc., which provides an earthly touch to the building and interiors. Wire-cut bricks is used to build a transparent partition in the courtyard, which partially block the view from the neighboring house and helps to create a microclimate close to the living spaces. We had not used any imported construction materials or advanced building system, which had indirectly helped us to create simple aesthetics on a controlled budget. We have used truss roofing with clay mangrove tiling for the porch and sit-out roof, which again reduced the usage of concrete and budget. While tapping most of the natural light to the built space, care has to be taken to introduce proper shading devices and surface drainage systems on the building. As the client comprises of people from 2 generations, and they were equally demanding with their specific requirements, we have tried to blend the bygone and the new. The spaces are modern, yet it wraps around this essence of traditional aesthetics and simple construction methods. We coin the approach to this design as customary rapport. We believe it narrates the story of orchestrating the design and construction, keeping due importance to the locally available materials and traditional aesthetics, intertwined with the requirements which are contemporary.